Experience the epitome of modern luxury living, where nature and elegance converge. Nestled on a generous lot along the Willamette River, this beautifully renovated home offers privacy and breathtaking scenery. Located just down the street from a public boat launch, it's close to parks, major highways, shopping, and entertainment. The impressive entrance invites you into the open-concept, light-filled main level with soaring 9 to 12-foot ceilings, 3 gas fireplaces, and contemporary fixtures throughout. Enjoy the ultimate in indoor and outdoor living spaces with an expansive deck just off the living room and the primary suite, perfectly positioned for gorgeous views of abundant wildlife in this serene escape. Step into the luxurious kitchen featuring a waterfall island, specialized under-cabinet lighting, and top-of-the-line appliances. This space perfectly combines style with functionality, making it a chef's paradise. Abundant storage includes a spacious mudroom and pantry. Retreat to the main level primary suite, where a cozy gas fireplace and spectacular view deck create a tranquil haven. The spa-inspired primary bath features a built-in vanity, marble floor, large shower, golden standalone tub, and a dream walk-in closet. Descend to the lower level, where a warm and inviting atmosphere awaits, including a large family room, gas fireplace, and spacious kitchenette, adding incredible flexibility for creative living options. You'll find 4 additional bedrooms, versatile spaces that can be transformed into a home office, art studio, gym, or whatever fits your lifestyle, including the potential for generating rental income. This meticulously renovated home is designed with excellence in mind. An oversized 2-car garage on the main level, plus an additional 1-car garage or boat storage below ensures ample space for all your needs. Plus, there's dedicated parking for your boat or RV, and it's EV charger ready. Savor the ideal blend of luxury and nature along the Willamette River, ready for you to call it home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.